There can be many medical reasons for a miscarriage. Thyroid imbalance, any kind of hormonal imbalance, blocked fallopian tubes, cysts, fibroids, etc. But when you look at it from body's point of view, miscarriage simply means that it was not ready to carry the baby to its full term. It needs more support from you by way of nourishment. Nourishment does not only mean the food that you eat. Nature is made up of 5 elements. These are sky, air, sun, water, and earth. Food only corresponds to the earth element. You have to bring all 5 elements into your daily life to prepare your body to prevent a miscarriage and carry a baby to its full term. You also have to work on the fears that you carry from your past miscarriage history.